Today we got a new keyboard called Gem80, a new TKL from Nuphy Studio. Inside the box we will get a quick guide, installation guide, Q&A book, braided cable, USB dongle, screwdriver, pullers, additional silicone gaskets, top screws, extra pads, and the keyboard itself, covered with a nice microfiber cloth. I choose the cosmic mocha color for this board because personally I think the combination of the aluminium top case with the polycarbonate bottom will look amazing. Inside the board we will find the usual foam kit with a thick silicone dampener on the bottom. Gem80 using a standard hot swap PCB with a small amount of flex cuts. I will start the build by using the aluminium plate with the included stabilizer, and for the mounting I will use the gasket socks. For this build, I'll be using the PCB sheet foam paired with the Nuphy Raspberry switch. This switch comes pre-looped with a 46 grams double stage spring and feels really smooth already. This keyboard comes with 3 connectivity options: standard wired, Bluetooth 5.0, and wireless with USB dongle. I will finish the build by using the Gem80 double shot PBT keycaps. Here's the typing test, and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.